Okay, a very good evening to all the citizens of the Bengali Samaj. The reason why I came live in this evening is that for the past 2-3 days we have seen a non-tribal organization called the Bengali Samaj. Actually, they have given a threatening to the Bengali Autonomous Council. Threatening Bengali Autonomous Council means threatening the people of Bengali. We have seen in the social medias when the DDS and all, when they have asked for advice from those Bengali Samaj leader, he said that we have the power to change the leaders in Bengali. And he also said that Bengali has been created by taking some parts of land from Nalong district, some parts from Golaghat district, some parts from Meghalaya, and some parts from Kamrup or other district. But that is wrong. Actually, the leaders who spoke against Bengali doesn't know, he does not know even 1% of the history of Bengali. Actually, Bengali or Nikil Hills district was created not by taking parts of Sipsagar district, Golaghat district, or Nalong district. Actually, all this land were taken away or divided by Sipsagar district, Nalong district, or some other district during the time of the British. Actually, all this land belonged to the Turkic nation. And we have a lot of loan to get from those districts. That is when you look back at the history, at the background of the history, you'll know all this thing. But those outsiders, what did they know about the history of Bengali? What did they know about the Bengali people? Actually, they are demanding that they want a permanent land pata in Bengali. That's what they are demanding. But did they know that Bengali is a 6th scheduled district? And when you look at the context of the 6th scheduled Constitution of India, this is a part of the Indian Constitution. This is also called a mini constitution, a small constitution. There are 12 schedules in the Indian Constitution. Among this, one is a 6th schedule. Now, when the outsiders, when they demand a permanent land here, when they demand to get the power to buy a land here in Bengali, they are anti-constitutional people. Now, those people who are demanding to get a land patas here, those are people who came from Bangladesh or some parts of like from West Bengal and Bihar. If they are thinking that they have the power to buy land here in Bengali, then they are against the Constitution of India, because in the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, you read in paragraph 3.1 or A, paragraph 3.1a, it is written clearly that the Land Act of 1953, a transfer of Land Act 1953, it says that it prohibited sale, mortgage, lease, barter, give, or transfer in any other way of land by a tribal to non-tribal, or by a non-tribal to another non-tribal. See, the non-tribal, they don't have the right to buy land here. They don't have the right to transfer a land. They don't have the right to sell the land here from one non-tribal to another non-tribal. They don't have the right to to take barter or to get a lease here in Bengali. It is written clearly in paragraph 3.1a. Now, from which angle you are demanding land patas here? And if you are against 6th schedule to the Constitution, that means you are Indian Constitution. That means you are against the Indian Constitution. Those who are against the 6th schedule to the Constitution, that means you are against the Indian Constitution, because this mini Constitution, this 6th schedule, the mini Constitution is under the Indian Constitution. And if you read the fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution, by Article 14, equality before law, that means we, the people of Bengali, the tribal people of Bengali, we are equal. We have the same rights. We are equal before the law. Don't think that only the non-tribals have the right, or only the non-tribals are equal before the law. We, the people of Kandilong, the 60 area is also under the Indian Constitution, and we are also equal before the law. That is the reason why we, the people of Kandilong, we are demanding Article 244. And see, it is written clearly in the Indian Constitution, Article 244, that Kandilong and the Mahasau have a provision to get an autonomous state. But still, the state government, they are afraid to implement this Article 244. Why? It is very difficult for the state government to implement Article 244. And when we are demanding this Article 244, which is in the Indian Constitution, which is written clearly inside the Indian Constitution, then the state government, they pointed us as a terrorist. Now, the state government or those anti-constitutional people, they should know that demanding an autonomous state is the right of the Hills people of Kandilong and Dimaso. And it is a special provision which is written here in the Indian Constitution. This Article 244A is a special provision for the people of Kandilong and Dimaso. And we are demanding what is inside the Indian Constitution. I repeat, we are demanding what is written here inside the Indian Constitution, not outside the Indian Constitution. We are not demanding sovereignty. We are not demanding freedom. We are demanding our rights, which is written in the Indian Constitution. Now, for 70 years, we are demanding this Article 244 and autonomous state. Where are those people? Those who are demanding a land partition. Where are those people? Where are you when you are demanding an Article 244? Do you raise your voice for the implementation of Article 244? Do you know the history of Kandilong? Do you know what is written in the Indian in the 62 Constitution of India? And I'm saying clearly, and I'm sending this message clearly to those people who are against Article 244, those who are against this 62 Constitution, you are those people who are against the Indian Constitution. Because you don't believe in the Indian Constitution. You don't believe in the rights of the people of Kandilong. And in paragraph 20, it's clearly mentioned here. It's clearly mentioned in paragraph 20 that Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau is a tribal area. That means everything belongs to the tribal. Without knowing the Constitution of India, without knowing any article, without knowing any paragraph which is written in the 62 Constitution of India, don't give this type of third-class speech before the media. And I challenge to those people, those outsiders who are demanding a land rights here, who came from Bangladesh and demanding land rights here. I challenge you. You come forward before the media. I'm here. I'm here. I'll show you all the paragraphs, all the article, all the schedule, what is written in the Indian Constitution. I know you speak from the this article from the Indian Constitution like fundamental rights and fundamental duties. I can explain clearly from the Indian Constitution also. So don't give this type of lecture. And before giving this type of lecture, third-class speech, third-class lectures before the media, know the Constitution first. Know the Constitution first. A special provision, a separate provision is given for the people of Kandilong. A 6 Do you know what is 6 What are the powers given to the 6 in the 6 areas? Without knowing anything, don't speak anything against the people of Kandilong before the media. Nasi, pinili Kandilong orang pan, kapasiti kantung lalu. Kung ano ang tanong mo nito sila na, ito matay pa nakilang rep, nakilang lobby man, labi ito minglong so, kami tayo chiklo minglong so pa nakilang rep, nakilang lobby po, bangkang ito chachiri. Ni kan lika poke pa pa magali kung lo lang chini ni constitution lang chini, 62 lang chini, constitution kung doon yun sila, nono ba ni si chachiri. Lapen, lahay ang tanong kila, ngunit sila na nakachar dari, long lila nga ng long ipam, lada, nakilang kahapi po, bangkang lapi itong roke. Lapen, kumane, political party alang itong BJP pan, kumane pan, personally kumane tayo lang, itong sini lang, magin itong tanap, kung beseta, ini, Bengali Samaj Mr. media lo, karya kay pan lang, ropen. Kapto yung pati poro rakula bagay nito mi APHLC na chachapche. Lapen natin ang go puro natin nito. Court mo na pusame. Mamigyan ng challenge na pusame ni retiro. Alam mo ba chiki beri man. Constitution ng Cristo man nas mi alam mo patay. Alam ko takla kuna ro kon pesa ndang ole pokanay ko. Paragraph 3 1 yan lang mo le na mo le kada. List mo le kada. Jordan mo le kada. Danda pilong le kada kung ha. Paragraph 3 yan ko na kay. Kuna besa tu haya alam na long na ni long le patalan ni parang kan dia hay ba. Income how will alam kung tatong kinam ya rights away. Because it is written here in the Indian Constitution. Constitution ng mupisi ko ang alas ng itong corruption. Namong late ko natin namong itong corruption. Non DGPS ang kado kung sila lang to dahil ay kibigit ko utpanan ito natin. Yung sili pinipera mo. From general si APHLC nung si so kana kang yugo natin latong aking pakta kami ng chikyo ni. Laki kelang sila ko naman di. Kelang sila ko naman. Kelang sila naman di kada. Sita Loading sa itong company, parang natin itong company. Lalo, doon itong nasi. Data ka na itong itong kita, kailangan itong kapenda kaping ora itong kapilin na diya ka mo rin. Yung si, kumanin kita kita itong isang tanong sa nang yung si itong lagang ng kaya ng hapon ng tulutang day, itong na akong tingin ang kapilin ng kopula. Pero, lamang anta, kita kita itong mga asanggomen na sulang ni Jena Day. Kaya yung long ken asanggo yung chong, sipsaman na asanggo yung chong, and then hoy na asanggo yung chong ha, muli na asanggo yung chong si Karmong District of Chong, Wikifils District of Chong, kaya harang ng kapamang gulat eh. Ang binong kaya, kalau Nogong District, kalau Orahan District, Sipsagor District ang tao, kaya berside, kaya bersi, bakit ng klakla. Baso mo si Aki, Robert Neil Redo, asang warno. Robert Neil Redo, si Samson Singh, Ru Samson Singh, kaya lang kasi tutukan, halahay itong Cambodia na din, ako, puto, at chiti man ito, si Kampi niya tabi, golanhan, di, Samson Singh, doon kaya golanhan na tao na chitin, das kompanyan siya, morale ko, pini das kompanyan, golanhan na tao na chitin mo sila. Nogong muli ko lang suding, ha, muli mong pang, ha, kopene pandu guhatias asikya nong kato ko pandu ham nong po ini na tu wahai da kiti yana ta itong kago nong chemong na tinga yang asi alang nong henki lang kili de tum sila da ha alang tu ma da ka bien nong de na me chai bo ba de la ke ti pi che su men ko kre asi la ba ye tung ko kre asi ki lai ki ma ko ke na lo la ta ba ni ngiri here la antam ni bang dang na cha da la usini tung ka here ji na ni aro ta iplo dang de challenge ni pom ko ma bi bahaya ko ngen ni challenge lo lang constitution na tengen Cerana, mediando también del retiro. Claro, así, el itu, hempre dong detik main itu kacesong man itu tampil na pulmon itu lang nang el itu man. Cara tampil mo balu itu enjoy no ninga no chipi no jangan sepa hempre lama no itu ting del. Hempre man del itu long vet hempre dong detik itu mas set kan le ke copan le. Lang, así kalau yang tadi no ani masang ko. Ni kalau pa jadi ni yang detik kom pero.